I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the essentials. On your laptop, confirm the Wi-Fi adapter supports hotspot or access point mode and that drivers are current. On your phone, verify tethering is allowed and you have sufficient mobile data. Once done, plug both devices into power if possible to avoid battery drain and place them close to reduce interference. Make sure you choose a clear SSID and a strong password to prevent unknown connections, because security stops slowdowns and data leaks before they begin. You now configure the laptop hotspot. Open network settings and select mobile hotspot or create a hosted network. Set a clear SSID and a WPA2 or WPA3 password. Choose 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. Next, select the internet source to share, typically Ethernet or an existing Wi-Fi connection, and enable sharing. Once active, monitor the connected device list to confirm your mobile paired. If speed matters, limit background apps on the laptop so the hotspot yields maximum throughput to your phone. You finish by connecting your phone to the laptop hotspot. Open Wi-Fi, pick the SSID, and enter the password you created. Once connected, check the phone's IP and DNS assignment and run a quick speed test to confirm throughput. If pages don't load, make sure your laptop's internet sharing is still active and firewall rules allow forwarding. Troubleshooting tip: if connection fails, restart the laptop Wi-Fi adapter, toggle mobile tethering off and on, or change the hotspot channel to avoid local interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.